Cafe is brainchild of three industrial engineers Mr. Mahesh, Mr. Rajendra Bhatta and Mr. Muralidhara to contribute their new ideas in food outlets also. Polar Breeze, Gokulam outlet newly opened by founders with the support of investor Mr. Praveen from Hyderabad. Polar Breeze first outlet is opened in JP Nagar, Mysore. With the great response from customers, Polar Breeze is coming up with several outlets in Mysore city shortly and having a plan of expansion across country. Polar Breeze Gokulam is the second outlet opened with marvelous ambience and great location. They are already giving service to foodies and all Mysoreans. For the veg food lovers, this is the great opportunity to enjoy the taste of different kinds of snacks, ice creams and chats with kind of service like 3-star hotel. Gokulam Polar Breeze outlet was inaugurated by Honorable former Education Minister Mr. Tanveer Seth on the 8th of November with grand opening ceremony. Mr. Tanveer Seth humbly enjoyed food and ambience at Gokulam Polar Breeze and given wishes to them for success. They introduced ice cream thali for the first time in Mysore city along with 300 plus food items. Also they are serving in all outlets. Here all the food items are truly made with love and hygienic. If you are planning to visit newly opened Polar Breeze in Gokulam, then you must try Polar Breeze Premium and Polar Breeze Thali, and along with that different kinds of momas, samosa, rolls, burgers, varieties, chats and Chinese foods, mojitos with different flavors. Different kind of combo offers they are offering to Mysoreans like veg burger, veg pizza, veg momas and veg sandwiches. For any queries you can contact customer support number 76249690. 98801006619611233944. Subscribe our channel for latest updates.
Sir, how you feel about Polar Breeze, sir?
See, I've been blessed to have inaugurated Polar Breeze, which has come up with a new concept. Though it's a ice cream parlor, they have around more than 300 varieties of snacks, chaats, ice creams, and what is most amazing is we have seen platters in almost every restaurant. It may be a veg platter, it may be a non-veg platter, or it may be a basket of bread. But for the first time ever, I have seen a platter of ice cream. They have introduced
Concept.
new concepts and new ventures. I am extremely happy to know that they plan to have more franchises and no more branches, not only across the city of Mysore, but even extended outside also. I wish the proprietors, the friends who have taken this initiative to bringing a new concept, and it is more fun for the youngsters and the teenagers. But what I could see here is age is no bar.
Yes, yes. Age is
Even
number.
even for the older people,
Yes.
they have something or the other,
Yes, sir.
and they have two sections. One is for purely veg, and one more section is takeaway and non-veg. So, seeing the concept, because I'm not from this industry,
Yes.
but it has been well planned. I wish them all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir,
ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಬೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಗೋಕುಲಂ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಡಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರುಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 ಜನ ಪಾಲುದಾರರಾಗಿ. ಇದು ವಿಶೇಷ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರೀ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಏನಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರನೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಂದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಅವರ ಪಾಲುದಾರರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಪಡೀಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ 4-5 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ 10-15 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you, sir. Sir, first of all, I thank Tanvi Seth sir, Manjunath sir for coming and blessing us actually. So we ensure that all public, all society will get a good, enriched food actually. Health, we are more conscious on health actually, right from baby till the elderly people actually. So everything we wanted to focus on health related and we wanted to give to the public and give the service. And also we are giving 3-star service here actually. In any parlor we don't get 3-star. We have identified 3-star service. And I thank for this Amway Wood who has helped us to create this concept. Amway Wood, Shoaib and Mansoor actually. I really thank you for them for supporting us for creating this concept actually. They are the backbone behind this actually. So I thank all the team who has come here on behalf of Phoenix Enterprises and Polar Breeze. Thank you very much for everyone for coming here and blessing us actually. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.